Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, October 26th. So, what do we have going on today? Wow, lots of stuff going on. We had 8:30. We had advanced GDP quarter over quarter was 4.9 versus 4.5. So, people, economy's chugging along, doing very, very well. What does that mean? Probably seeing the Fed raise rates again, although they're trying to downplay that, but that certainly is a very hot number. Unemployment claims 210 versus 208 versus 200. Anywhere around 200 is extremely bullish. Okay, just it is. And we've been in this 240 to 185 range for a long time, and this is very bullish. Advanced GDP price index quarter over quarter, again, big 3.5 versus 2.7, very aggressive. Durable good orders up, fantastic. That's core. Regular durable goods were up even more, 4.7 versus 4.1. You can always throw the core out. Core is a garbage number. Don't even get me started. Economists pick and choose what they want to include or not include based on volatility. So they take out all the stuff that really matters, durable goods orders without the core, or say with the core, much more reasonable number. Goods trades balance, again, good number. Preliminary wholesale inventories at 0%. That just means that inventories are not going up, but they're not going down. So everything that's coming in is going out. That's what that means. So some really good numbers. 8:45 ECB press conference. Don't care too much about that. But if they raise rates, that may push everybody else to raise rates. 9 a.m. FOMC member Waller speaking. Pending home sales at 10 a.m. Natural gas storage at 10:30, and that is it for the rest of the day. So looking forward, we're going to gap down, but I wanted to kind of shrink this up and look at it again. I took out some of the drawings. We've got a major, I'm going to call this a triple bottom coming up somewhere around 41.57. So that's a major. Also, if you look at this projection we did yesterday, it's projecting 41.48. So these two lines are very, very close. That's very interesting. Anytime you have confluence on the chart, that's interesting. So that's definitely where it could go, 4150-ish. We're just under 4200 as we speak. Again, we are gapping down. We expand this out. Where could we go today? Where could we go today? Well, if we could muster some upside, I think we could come back up and test this low right there, which is at 4234. Or we could test this major support. You can see right over here, major support in the neighborhood. Let's just call it 4150 area. So yeah, yesterday's chart, I mean, this is just damn ugly. There's no other way to say this. When you close at or near the low, that's just really, really ugly. Looking at the intraday inventory also just extraordinarily ugly. Down here, 2 o'clock, we had minus 23,000. Now, it did recover some, but look at the price. This is just an ugly, ugly chart. Closing at or near very close to the lows. Now, what's going on overnight? Well, we had Google's earnings, I guess, came out, and they're just pounding the crap out of Google. So, of course, that's probably what the majority of this is, although they are trying to muster some it's still probably going to gap down, but try to muster some here before the open. These are correlated, so nothing to worry about there. Looking at the intraday, intraday is interesting because the range is so large, or overnight, I should say. Basically 42.05 all the way down to 71. That's like 34 points. That is way outside of normal. Normal's about 22 to 25. So what do we got going on? Support, resistance. So resistance up here, we have some confluence right around the overnight highs at 42.04, 42.20, 41.36. On the support side, maybe a little bit of support around 41.65, definitely around 41.54. Of course, we've been talking about that 41.50 area, and then down below 41.34. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is positive 61.9. 61.9 is the historical bias for today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Is what it is. Yeah. Remember, subscribe, comment, like. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.